So that is all done. We've got the wood treated. And the next step will be to mount the boiler. So it will go up there, and now we can easily reach it, so might as well mount the boiler there now while we can. So let's get him out and then see where we can hang him.
Ja, doe maar.
Hij zit op 48,5. Oh, wacht.
Kijken, best op die handgraf zitten.
Ja, ook.
Ciao Matthias!
So we are up here in the boiler room again. And meanwhile, Doris and Matthijs are working on stripping the paint off of those shutters. We are going to continue here in the boiler room. I got me some washers that need to go up here, and then we can finally screw down this beam and also these little beams. I've marked where we need to mount the boiler. There's just one little hiccup with the components that I bought. I'll figure that out later. But hopefully you'll be able to install the boiler, and we are also going to take some tiles off the wall on that side. So Lyanne is going to focus on removing some of those tiles on that side there, because as you might recall, we had these shutters on this side and that side, and they could not open properly because of this edge right there. 70s, they renovated this bathroom and they just stuck on these tiles, which is fine, but because of that, they protrude a little bit outwards, and therefore you cannot properly open the shutters as they were designed to open. So what we're gonna try to do is remove these tiles, and therefore we can properly open these beautiful shutters once again. And just like that, everything is level and these little beams are in. So that's good. It took way too long, but finally, I'm happy it's finally done. So now I can move on with the next steps, which would be mounting the boiler here. Or here, I'm still not super sure, but we can move on to the next step. This thing is getting super sturdy now, these little beams are connected, so I'm very happy to see that. Let's continue.